Hello guys, so tonight we're gonna be doing a crab meat. So as you can see, I bought some crabs in the Asian store in Rochester, New York, and we're gonna be steaming this, and then we're gonna take all the meat out, and it's gonna be good. Hello guys, so here we are. I just boiled the water to steam our crabs. So what I'm gonna have you do is, you don't have to put any flavors in it, but I just went ahead and throw in some Cajun spice in it. But you can use Old Bay, or you can make your own spices in it. But as I said, you can make it plain. So I'm just gonna steam all our crabs in there. So I'm just put them all in there. Okay, these are still live crabs. And this won't take long. I'll probably will just steam them for about 10 minutes, I would say. All right. So here we are, all our crabs in there. Okay. So what I'm gonna have you do is just steam it there for the next 10 minutes on a high heat. All right. So they'll be bathing in there, and they should be steamed for the next 10 minutes on a high heat. And then you can turn it off and just let it cool down, and then we can take all the meat out, and then we can use it for our crab meat for tonight's recipe. Hello guys, so here's the update of our steamed crabs after 10 minutes. So we're just gonna leave it there until it cools down. All right, so we should be able to take them all out from here. See that? Our steaming crabs is ready to be eaten actually. But as I've said, we're just gonna take all the meat out, and then we're gonna put some spices in it, and then cook it back, fry it to have our crab meat. Hello guys, so here we go. I think I did a really good job taking all the meat from our crabs. As you can see, it's all cleaned out now. And then here's our meat from our crabs. That's all in there. That's what we're gonna be using for our stuffed crab shells. And actually, this is actually part of the crab that I cleaned up and took all the meat out. So I hope I did a good job clearing it all out. So here we go guys. Crab meat and our crab shells. Hello guys, welcome with Ray Quacky here, and here's our ingredients for our crab meat for tonight. So as you can see, we have our crab shells ready. I just turn it over for you to see how it looks like. So basically I just clean it out. That cavity there is where we're going to put our mixture for our crab meat. And here's our crab meat here. We already cleaned it out, and then I added some stuff on it too, like everything that you could get from the crab. And here's our eggs. And here's, I'm just gonna use the scallions guys, spices, and then of course our salt and pepper, our accent, and our olive oil to fry our crab meat. So here you go guys, we're just gonna mix it all, okay? So hello guys, here's our mixture for our crab meat. So we have the crab meats here. I already put in our 2 eggs, our salt and pepper, and our accent, and of course our scallions. So all you have to do is just mix these all up, okay? So I'm just gonna mix it all up. And then after you get a good mix on this guys, all you have to do is just put this in the cavity and you fry it, and you should be all set to eat your crab meat. And this should taste so good. I don't want to put too much extenders for our crab meat because I want it like the pure crab meat that you're gonna be eating for your dinner. All right, it's looking good right now. There we go. So it's well mixed now. So all we have to do for this is get our wok ready for frying. And all we can do is just put them in the cavity here, right there. Okay, and then after that we will just go and fry it. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right. So here we go, guys. We already filled our crab shells with all the crab meat we have. So it actually just right for all of our mixture. So we're ready to fry this. Okay guys, so our wok is already hot right now. So what I'm gonna do is, actually you can cook all of it all at once, but I'm just gonna start out with one, okay? There you go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna baste the top. Alright. That's it guys. It's looking good right now. It's looking really good. So I'm just gonna baste it. So I put the heat on the medium. Actually guys, you can use any oil you want, but I am actually using extra virgin olive oil. Right there. So you can see that. It's looking good right now. Our crab is already cooked, so you don't have to worry about it. And actually we just put the egg, so the egg should be cooked also easily. So there you go guys, our crab meat, and it's looking really good. Okay. So I'm just basting the top of it. The bottom is warm enough for olive oil to cook the bottom part of our crab meat. So I'm just gonna brown it. Okay. Turn off the heat, and this should be good. And I'm gonna take it out for our. So here we go, guys. Our crab meat for tonight, and I already tried one of them, and it tastes really good. And it's all like a lump crab meat with no other extenders, with just the scallions on it. So hope you like this recipe for tonight guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's #WalkWithRayQuecky, and as usual, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye for now.